Women over 40 gave advice to young beauties. It is very interesting. Many women who are already familiar with family life and personal relationships can easily share their experiences with the younger generation. It was some advice that was given by several women that each girl would really need. Leave after the first lie. Do not wait for a person to change, because it rarely happens that a man's old habits can change. Stop trying to make everyone around you happy. Possession of things does not bring happiness, be more economical. Even relatives can be toxic. Be sure to make friends. Indeed, at an older age, they will be simply necessary for you. No matter what you are told, it's impossible to please everyone. When you have a choice, your success, peace of mind, professionalism, or the need to please others, choose yourself. It is worth worrying about all your loved ones, but in no case do not stop taking care of yourself. You do not need to work at work that you do not like. If you can change it, then do it. Demand a big salary. Talk to your brothers and sisters more often. After all, it is useful and interesting. You should know how they live and what their views on this or that. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.